Water damage restoration. Nassau County water damage to your home is one of the most annoying and often unavoidable natural disasters that occur in Nassau County. Our trusted team of experts have years of experience helping homeowners with complex water damage cleanup. We've spent years perfecting the art of water damage recovery and related and mold damage issues. No matter what the job, we can help you get your home back fast and for an affordable price. Explore our services. Emergencies can't be planned, and every minute counts when it comes to your Nassau County water restoration needs. Our team works round the clock to ensure you have the help you need when you need it. If you live in Nassau County and have found yourself scooping out a basement, tracking down a leaky pipe, or simply staring at a stain and wondering what the hell happened, you're not alone. Water and mold damage are extremely common in Nassau County, and the sooner you deal with the issue, the better chance you have of getting your home back to tip-top shape. No matter what your specific need, be it water damage cleanup, fire damage recovery, mold removal or anything in between, trust your home to a team that have more than 20 years experience dealing with the specific issues Nassau County residents face. We work in both commercial and residential capacities, and offer emergency 24-hour water removal services at low, reasonable costs. For more information, please visit our website, www.waterdamagerestorationnassaucounty.com, or contact us through phone, 516-629-0784. You can visit our office, 525 to 527 Franklin Avenue, Franklin Square, New York, 11010. Water Damage Restoration, Nassau County.